On April 4th, India recorded the highest single-day jump of COVID-19 infections in the country this year. India added over 93,000 new coronavirus infections to its nationwide tally in the last 24 hours.
इतने बड़े लोगों को लिए हो सकता है तो हम जैसे आम पब्लिक है जैसे उनको बहुत प्रिकॉशन लेना चाहिए। ये कोविड के समय में जैसे देखा जाए कि ये सेकंड जो जनरेशन आया है, कोविड जैसे स्टॉप हो गया था वापस से बढ़ रहा है, तो उसको हमको बहुत सीरियसली लेना चाहिए। वो चीज़ में बहुत मतलब ख्याल रखना चाहिए।
Yes, I feel that COVID cases are spreading very fast. But yes, it's up to everyone's immunity. We have to be safe, maintain all the safety measures that are being taken by the Indian government, and definitely all will be back to normal.
Even as late as February 22nd this year, the case count per day was only about 10,000. The journey from 10,000 cases to over 90,000 cases a day has taken less than 40 days. During the first wave in 2020, the 10,000 mark was first breached on June 11, while the 90,000 figure was crossed in September mid after a gap of more than 90 days. This time, however, the caseload has doubled in half its time. From the 93,000 cases reported currently, Maharashtra alone has recorded almost 50,000 cases. Mumbai city alone has over 9,100 of these new infections, its highest single day spike.
म्हणून आज सुद्धा मी पूर्ण लॉकडाऊनचा इशारा देतो आहे, लॉकडाऊन जाहीर करत नाही आहे, पण 1-2 दिवसामध्ये जर का दृश्य स्वरूपामध्ये ह्या गोष्टी आढळल्या नाहीत आणि दुसरा उपाय जर मी आता पुढच्या 1-2 दिवसांत ज्यांच्याबरोबर बैठका घेतोय त्यांच्याकडनं आला नाही तर मग मात्र आहे ती परिस्थिती अशीच्या अशी स्वीकारा, जे मला नाही जमणार.
Control this surge in cases, Maharashtra government has imposed fresh curbs in the state. Rumors also suggest the possibility of a complete lockdown. Other states like Gujarat, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh have shut down schools for students till 8th standard. Karnataka has reduced the seating capacity in cinema halls to curb the spread. But the crucial question here is, are all these curbs and regulations enough to control a wave of infections that is spreading at double the rate than it did the last time? Many analysts have over time observed that the first 3 months of lockdown in 2020 did help India prepare for the worst. It had also slowed down the rate at which the infection spreads. So then, is another lockdown needed now when cases are at a peak? Given the current situation of the economy, can India afford to impose another lockdown? And most importantly, should India still be having mass gatherings such as election campaigns or the Kumbh Mela? While the Prime Minister and state governments decide on the further course of action, one thing is clear: the second wave has arrived and demands for COVID norms to be more stringent. If not, whether we can afford one or not, India will have to be locked down.